The trial of a Red Lion teenager charged with killing a 12-year-old classmate is officially underway in York County Court. 15-year-old Nolan Grove is standing trial as an adult after the shooting of Kain Heiland in April of 2023. Fox 43's Matt Klein sat in for opening statements to the jury today. He's live outside the York County Courthouse.
Evan, the York County District Attorney's Office is looking to convict Nolan Grove with third-degree murder and involuntary manslaughter, and will have eyewitnesses to the shooting testifying to the jury. While Nolan's defense team agrees that he acted recklessly with the gun that day, they argue he did not act with malicious intent to shoot Kain Heiland. 2 years after 12-year-old Kain Heiland was shot and killed, 15-year-old Nolan Grove now stands trial as an adult for his murder.
I think the emotions are going to bleed back and forth with the facts, and there's no way around that.
On Tuesday, prosecutors and defense attorneys began presenting their cases to the jury as the Red Lion teen faces third-degree murder and involuntary manslaughter charges. During opening statements, the York County DA's team announced that Nolan's friend would testify about witnessing the shooting. The witness says Nolan would often carry around his dad's gun to show off, and adds that Nolan pointed the gun at two girls and Kain multiple times before the shooting. Penn State Dickinson law professor Emily Spotswood says jurors will need to determine Nolan's level of recklessness in order to convict him of either charge.
That means it's not merely that they're taking serious risks, but they are aware when they act that they're taking a very serious risk, and a risk that can't be justified.
Meanwhile, defense attorneys are arguing that Nolan's actions were reckless, not malicious, and say he was unaware the gun was loaded. They also claim that Nolan accidentally pulled the trigger while trying to turn on the gun's laser.
There's two different ways a jury might be hearing that. Was this merely, he should have known better, he did know better, but he acted anyway? Or when he was doing what he was doing with the gun, he didn't care if this other kid lived or died.
Spotswood says the ages of Nolan Grove and Kain Heiland will likely make the case more emotionally challenging for the jury.
It's going to heighten the sympathy for the victim, but also for the defendant. And it just adds an additional layer of complexities beyond what you'd normally expect in a murder trial, for sure.
Now, the district attorney's team adds that they will be showing multiple surveillance videos to the jurors throughout the trial, including new dash cam video that captured the shooting. Evan?
Fox 43's Matt Klein live in York. Matt, thank you very much.